How to buy a domain name on Godaddy. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Godaddy is a domain registry and web hosting company. Now without further ado, let's jump straight into buying a domain. So this is what their homepage looks like. Now if you haven't signed in already, you can on the top right hand side sign in and it will give you a unique customer number, and it'll also give you a PIN, which is also unique to your account. There are a few other options that you can go into here, but for now we are going to look at a domain name. So it's pretty straightforward. You have a search bar here and it says search using your business name or desired domain name. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say, just for this video, we're going to say video example 54321, and that is the domain name we're going to look for, and we're going to say .com, and let's have a look if it's actually available. Now on the next page, what we're going to find here is the beginning of something big. So what it basically is telling you here is that you have the option to have this video example 54321.com purchased. It is available and you can just tap make it yours. There is also a video example 54321.co.za, and if you go down a little bit, it will give you a few other options, so that there is a .co.org or a .online. Of course, that will cost a few more dollars. As you're going down, you can actually just add that to cart if you want to. And if you have a look further down the page, you will see there are further endings and more names. So on the left hand side, the endings, you will find that there's a .co, .biz, .study, .surf, and so forth, depending on what it is that you are actually doing. That will depend on that. On the right hand side, there are a few different examples of names for you to choose from. So for example, it says example 54321, video example 54321. That's what we want. And then it has a couple other example.com. It has a couple other examples. Now, once you are happy with that, you can actually confirm that you've made the name correct. It is spelt correctly, because after this you can't actually change it once you've purchased it. So as it says here, it's 1 cent, and that is going to be for the first 2 years, and that is per month. And what we can do now is just say make it yours, and we will jump onto the next page. Now what is happening in the next page, you will be able to carry on setting up your account, and you'll be able to add on whatever other services it is that they have available. Let's just click continue, and we can choose a few add-on services so that we can have a nice full package for our domain name. So of course here it says full domain protection, and that is $9.99 per domain per year. And then we have the ultimate domain protection and the free privacy protection. Now, of course, these three options offer different bits and pieces, so you can just read through there and see what it is that suits you best. And then it also says start your website for free, build a better website in less than an hour. So when people visit your domain, they'll see more than just a coming soon page, which is fantastic. And basically I think what it will do is give you the opportunity to build a basic website so that you won't have to show your potential customers away. So you can toggle that on or off. Then we are going over to the following window here, and it says build credibility with a custom email address. Now, of course, this would be absolutely fantastic. Having a professional email address is the better way to go when you are in business, and it says you get 10 gigabytes per mailbox That is a lot. And it says it's industry-leading spam and virus protection. It works with Outlook, Apple Mail, and other clients. And then it also specifies that the product is only available in English. So if that is something that you would like, that is an absolutely fantastic add-on when you're purchasing a domain name. All right, so once you've done that, you can continue to cart, and we can process the next part of the domain purchase. Now, once you have reached this page, you will basically be able to finalize any detail that you have left out. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see that there is a registration period, and it says renews May 2026. That's for a 3-year plan, and it is at $1.83 per month, and it shows you your total. Now, of course, you can run it from 1 year up to 5 years, and then you can have it renewed or not. Any one of these items that you would prefer to remove from your cart, you can actually just tap on the little trash can and it'll remove it from your cart. This is showing you your full domain protection. Of course, when you change that price plan, it will actually change for all of the add-ons that you have added on. So there is a full domain protection for 1 year, and then it tells you your renewal date and what it costs per month. And as you go down, it'll show you your professional email, and it'll also give you the option to choose a different amount of users. That is fantastic. So if you have more than one person that needs an email address, that is a great way to go about it. Once you are done with this, on your right hand side of the page, you will see an order summary. Now in this order summary, it gives you your subtotal, and then it also says that it does not include applicable taxes. They also offer a promo code, and it says that it is a valid promo code. I am presuming that it is because you are a first-time user. And then you have 2 payment options. Now, when you go through to the next window or the next page, you will have 2 options. So what you're going to do is you're going to set up your billing and your payment method. So when you're setting up your payment method, you can either pay with a valid card, a credit card or a bank card, or you can make your purchase with a PayPal account. If you are purchasing with a PayPal account, the process is a lot quicker. You can just put in a few details and you can run it through, and your purchase will be quick and easy. If you are putting your card details in, you will go through a process where it'll basically do an automatic EFT, given that you are giving the Godaddy approval to make that EFT off of your account. So whichever way you decide to go, the bank charges are pretty much going to be the same, and then you can make your payment. And once that is done, once you have finalized your payment, you can then have your domain, and as we said earlier on, there is a startup website. You can start designing that website in under an hour. They'll give you the tools to design that website so that it looks good, and you will then be able to start trading on your website. You can actually start using it to pull customers in. You can actually start using it to advertise your product or your service and continue to grow your business. There you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you like the videos we put out, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.